Let's unbox my latest order from KellOfAPlan. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I welcome you and I hope you'll stick around. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my most recent KellOfAPlan order. I purchased these items with my own money, and they've actually been sitting around for about a week. So I'm at the point where I don't even remember what I ordered. But I thought we would go ahead and open these up on camera and we can all be surprised at the same time. So stay tuned. Okay, so I did go ahead and cut these packages open just to avoid doing that on camera. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what we have in here, and then I will move this box out of the way because it wants to interfere with my lighting. Ooh, okay, now this is coming back to me. All right, let's get this box out of here. Okay, guys, let's check it out. I'm anxious to get into these. So let's see. Let's start with these boxes here, and we will come back to these sticker books. Okay, so it looks like I remember this now. I'm going to put this other box aside also. So I don't know if y'all remember, but a couple of weeks ago, KellOfAPlan was trying to make room in her warehouse, so she marked her Planner Love box 60% off. So I did not have anything like this in my collection. So I went ahead and ordered this because, guys, this box was $20. I mean, that is less than the price of a sticker book. So let's get these things out of here so we can have a quick little look. And I'm excited to get into this. So in this set, you get a little, let's see, how do I get this open? Sorry for all the crinkles. So what we have here is, oh, a craft knife. Mine's a little loose. Let's see. Oh, yes, that looks very sharp. I'm gonna have to be careful with that. I don't normally use this kind of craft knife, so hopefully I don't, destroy something in the process. And we got this cute little pen with this little gem on top. Check that out. Ooh, that's a big diamond. And we got some little clips for the top of our planners. I don't normally use these, so I'll be curious to see how that works out. We got a little pen pouch here. Nice. It's lined. I think I'll put these things inside the pen pouch. I don't think those will fit, but I can definitely put my washi in there. So this is a box of 6 washies. Of course, I'm tearing the box up because I'm so anxious to get in here. So look how cute these are. I'll hold these up to the camera. Maybe y'all can see these better. Those are, uh-oh, I'm dropping them everywhere. These are cute. So I'm not going to swatch these out today, but if y'all are interested, you know what? I might do a plan with me. Not in this video, but in a separate video. I might do a plan with me. Okay, and then this, I don't remember if this is a notebook or a planner. So let's get into this. Okay, so these covers, I'm excited about these covers. Okay, so this one says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners, and that's kind of the same thing. Sorry for the glare over here. So it looks like we get, okay, I see 6 dividers. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's an undated planner. Look at this. So we have like a little currently page. We've got double-sided divider. Currently page, we have a blank monthly. And look, y'all, it's an undated vertical planner. Get this up here where y'all can see it better. Oh, I'm excited. And this is on mini plastic discs. So how many weeks we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and then like a little note page. And look how cute this divider is. It's got planner cards, double-sided currently page. Love the little deco down the spine. And then we're back into another month. Divider number 3, divider number 4, divider number 5. Ooh, and divider number 6. This matches the washi. And then the back cover says Planning a Life I Love. How cute is that? Sorry it's sticking to everything. And I hope y'all can see that. Sorry about the glare. Okay, I'm excited over that because like I said, I don't have anything for like planner day or planner week or whatever. Okay, and then here's a sticker book. Let's just do a little quick flip through here. We've got quotes, currently words. We have all the little dates that we need for our monthly and weekly. Lots of planner related stickers and crafting. These are cute, and these colors are totally my jam. Oh, look, hexagons, headers, dots. I love this. Ooh, dashboard stickers, monthlies. This is awesome. I'm so glad I got this, and shoot, for $20, I mean, come on. Okay, let's move on to the next item. I'm going to set my washies in here, and let's see what else we got. Okay, so the next thing I bought was the KellOfAPlan Faith Planner. This is a gorgeous box, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Sorry, I'm just seem to be throwing everything around this morning. So I'm going to pull these out of the box so we can get this off the desk. Let's open it up and have a quick peek. It's a planner. How pretty is that? Okay, let me get this out of the wrapper. Okay, sorry for the glare again, y'all. This says, let everything that has breath praise the Lord. I think there's a little typo here, but that's okay. I still love it. Oops, my cover's popped off. So this one's on classic size plastic discs. And I thought we'd do a quick flip through on this one. This is a 12-month undated planner. It's got that awesome paper in here. Now, I will tell y'all, I am not planning on starting this until July. So stay tuned on that to see how I'm going to use this. But we have a blank monthly. Check it out. We have a horizontal layout, and we've got a blank area here. And it looks like we have 5 weeks on this as well. Let's count. Let's see. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, look how cute that is. And I love these dividers. So now we'll just flip through the dividers. And I'll try not to talk all the way through it because y'all are probably trying to read these. Because I'm not going to read them to y'all, but I think everyone can see. But each one has a little Bible verse on it. These are double-sided dividers, which y'all know I love that. And this paper is, oh my gosh, y'all, chef's kiss. If you've never had a KellOfAPlan planner, what are you waiting for? I mean, this paper is unbelievable. I don't remember if it's 90-pound or 93-pound, but I have purchased 93-pound paper from Amazon before, and it is still not as smooth as this paper. And I'll tell you another thing, it's not as white as this paper. So I am very excited over this. Can't wait to get into this one. In the back, we've got some dot grid paper. Look how cute that is. And then we've also got some note paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of dot. And then I'm sure this is going to be 5 sheets of lined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is our back cover. And how pretty is that? I love it. So yeah, so stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with this. It will make its debut in July. All right, now let's get in and see what I got on sticker books. So I bought the new Summer Icons Volume 2, Summer Florals Volume 3. I also picked this one up on clearance, Monthly Florals Volume 2. And this is from Heather's newer release. This is the hexagon boxes. So we can just do a super fast flip through on these. I think I'll probably film a separate video for these summer books and probably a plan with me. But let's have a quick look at these. And I'll see if I can get in a little tighter just so y'all can see these stickers better. Okay, I think that will be okay. All right, so in the new hexagon boxes, this one just released, and these colors are the same as some of Heather's newer books. It's got jewel tone in the back. How pretty are those? And then it's got pastels in the middle. And then we've got her newer colors in the front. These coordinate with her latest basics release. So I'm just really learning how to use hexagon stickers. Truth be told, I've only used them in one spread. I definitely had some stumbling blocks, but I loved the finish. So I'm planning on bringing in more hexagon stickers in the future. Okay, so let's have a look at Monthly Florals Volume 2. This book released in 2024. I believe she had a monthly paper pack or something that came out, and these were made to fit that paper pack. But what you get in here, and again, I'm just going to do a quick flip. You get monthly boxes. These are cut for your monthly. 2 pages of those. This one's more decorative. And then you get 2 pages that are matching exactly of a clear floral. And these are intentionally cut smaller for your monthly calendar. And then you know how at the top sometimes, or at the bottom, you'll have a few blank blocks. Like if the first isn't till Thursday, then Monday through Wednesday is blank. So these are actually cut to fit like across 2 boxes or 4 or 3 or, you know, whatever. And then she's got some tiny little corners in here. So I thought that was super cute. So I'm actually going to take it to the back and just do a quick flip. And, oh, look, here's some words. I'll do a more detailed flip in a separate video. But if y'all want to check her website, I believe this is still available. Ooh, but I am loving it because it's got colors that fit across all seasons. And I just thought this was so cute. I don't know why I didn't buy it when she first introduced it, but I'm loving it and I'm excited to get into that. Okay, and then here's our newest release. This is Summer Florals Volume 3. This one's going to have a lot of your tropical florals. Oh, that was really bright. So we're going to do a quick flip on this one, and I will do a more detailed, in-depth flip in a separate video because I also want to do a plan with me for a future spread. And I have never done a currently spread. I might want to use some of these for a currently, but loving that. And its accompanying book is Summer Icons Volume 2. I love the artwork on the front. Again, a quick flip on this little guy. And we will do a more detailed on this one in a separate video because I want y'all to see how cute this is. I mean, we're barely into spring, and now that these books are out, I'm craving summer, even though I hate the heat. But anyway, guys, that is my quick little video of my unboxing. Again, these are items that I purchased with my own money. So thank you, Heather, for introducing and bringing us these items. We love everything you're doing out there. Let me grab those planners and put those on the desk so y'all can have another peek at those. So we also picked up the Faith Planner. This was not on sale, but it is because it's undated. Now, if this had been dated, she probably would have had this on sale. I'm going to put this up here just so it doesn't get glary. And then I also purchased the Kellofafan Planner Love Box. I'm super excited over this because, like I said, I did not have any sticker books related to Planner Day or anything like that. So for 20 bucks, I mean, I could not walk away from this. And I am super thrilled that this is an actual undated planner, not a notebook. So I'm so excited, y'all, because next year when it's time to, do our planners, I'm thrilled to have an undated vertical KellOfAPlan planner because y'all know how I feel about her paper. So anyway, guys, that is my little unboxing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use my new stuff. Let me get that out of here because it's glary. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I'll try to bring more of these to y'all in the near future. So stay tuned. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would consider subscribing. And guys, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.